Hi, we wanted to change the timing components on our Honda Pilot. They're past due, but we ran up against the crank bolt. First of all, get a holding tool to hold the pulley down so you can get hand tools in there. If you have powerful air and electric tools, go that way, but if not, here we go. Okay, there's what we have it now. Let me show you down here. Got it on a block of wood.
Didn't really go in. I'm out of room.
You're already out of room? Alright, now let's extend our tools to get some turning radius so we can, we're going to get outside the body of the car. So it's 27 inches worth of socket and extension. A 19 millimeter impact socket. And we'll support that thing up on a jack stand. 24-inch breaker bar and a 1-inch pipe, 3 feet long for a cheater. So here's our setup now. That extension bar is reaching out here far enough. Adding some pipe to it. Wow.
I don't know. I can go more.
Something's gonna give here.
Look at that breaker bar bend.
I know. No kidding, you don't have to do much.
Nope, it slipped off.
Our pulley holding fixture slipped out, so I stuck a wedge underneath here to keep it from keep the breaker bar from migrating. We'll see if that'll hold. And now we're going to see if the power of the starter is enough to break this nut loose. I have a remote crank switch, and I'm hooking it up to the positive terminal on the battery, and a wire I added to the S terminal of the starter. Here's our hookup, and we've got this breaker bar braced against the car, tied on there on the lower control arm, and we've got a strap on there holding it in place, so we'll give it a shot. Okay, so this is total war. We put some heat on the washer around the nut and then went back at it again. When it gave way, it was all at once. My jack stand fell, I fell. Now this bolt doesn't show any rust. Comes with that big washer. Now the war is over, and the victor gets to go on and finish the rest of the job and shop for a new breaker bar. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more interesting videos to come.